Welcome back to our channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today we are going to solve our questions. Write a Java program to print half inverted diamond star pattern. To solving these problems is very easy. Just understand how to solving this problem. First you have to print the space, then print the star. So here we have to print the 4 space, then 3, then 2, then 0. To solving these problems, you need a variable int n is equal to 5. Then you need a for loop. By this for loop, you have to print the space first. So int I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to n, I plus plus. This is the first, this is the outer loop which iterates until the end, starting from the 1. And then you need a second loop which printing the space. For that, int j is equal to 1. J should less than is equal to n minus I and j plus plus. Y minus I, y and minus I, sorry, y and minus I, because every time the one space is decreases, means the first if see, as you can see here, the first index you have to print the 4 space, then 3 spaces, then 2 spaces. So n minus I is like to 5 minus first iterations. What we will getting 5 minus 1. You will getting the 4 space. 4 space will be printed, and and uh, the next iterations 3 space will be printed. When the 5 and I becomes 2, you will getting the 3 space printed, then 2, then 1. This is the way of you have to print the space here. So this is how print a space, and make sure it is a print statement instead of println. So this for loop to print the space. After this you have to print the star. So after this printing the star, you need a one more loop here, over here, for int k is equal to 1. K should less than is equal to I and k plus plus, just like your triangle pattern. And this out, print a star, and make sure it is a print statement here. So, so this will be printing the star, in the half star will be printed. The half will be solved here. Then the second time, then the lower half will be for that you need another for loop. So let's implement this. For that you have to come out this for loop first. This is the first for loop where you have to where you have a two inner loop. Then come out this for loop and just write here uh, lower half LOW here, lower half, and then implement. So for int int I is equal to n minus 1. Why n minus 1? Because as you can see here, the half of the pattern is lower pattern have a 3 star, okay, then 2 star, 1 star. So n minus 1 means you have to not going through the 5 star, you have to come for the 4 star, then 3, then 2, then 1. So half lower will be printed this way. Then k is less than is equal to I, sorry, sorry, uh, I should greater than is equal to 1, I minus minus. Inside of this lower half loop, you have to print the space first. So print the space, you need the int j, sorry, for loop int j is equal to 1, j should less than is equal to n minus I j plus plus. What you do have to do, you have to print the space first. Print in the space over here. Make sure it is a print statement. Then come out this for loop for let me go into the upper side to understand very well. For int k is equal to 1, k should less than is equal to I and k plus plus. What we have to do? We have to print this out. A star will be printed and come out this for loop, print the next line here. So our program is done. To understanding purpose here, let me write some comment here. Yeah, I just write the comment in here. Print space, this for loop print space, this for loop print the star. Then lower half starting from the n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 from the 4. Let's run it. We will be getting, but uh, we did not write the next line in the upper half pattern. So just come here. Here, just write this out. Println statement here. Then run it again. See, we will getting the inverted diamond pattern. This is the way of you can solve this problem. That's all about in this video. Thanks for watching. Coding feels just like taking a small piece of knowledge every day.